In the world of sauna, performance and design make all the difference. That's why so many sauna enthusiasts turn to EOS, the name synonymous with German engineering and premium sauna experiences. Welcome to the Sauna Place. I'm Laura. Today we're introducing to you a new luxurious sauna heater brand that is sure to make a statement and elevate your sauna experience. EOS sauna heaters combine cutting-edge technology with sleek, modern design, built to meet the needs of both home users and commercial spas. Founded in Germany in 1944, EOS started as a small manufacturer of electrical heating equipment. Over the decades, it evolved into one of the world's most respected sauna heater brands, setting the global standard for quality, reliability, and design with a commitment to sustainability. While EOS has served as a world leader in the sauna industry for nearly a century, the Sauna Place will be the first authorized dealer for EOS in the United States. Aside from the heaters themselves, many EOS models offer advanced features like digital controls, temperature sensors, and customizable heating programs, so you get the perfect sauna session every time. Whether you want sleek, modern style, or space-saving innovation, EOS has the right fit, and we at the Sauna Place are proud to carry these 4 outstanding options in stock. EOS Mythos. The Mythos stands out with its contemporary design and powerful heating for medium to large saunas. EOS Invisio. The Invisio model is designed to be hidden under the bench, creating more space and a clean, minimalist sauna look. EOS Cubo. Cubo is a compact powerhouse, perfect for smaller saunas without sacrificing performance. EOS Gracil. Gracil is sleek and slender, the perfect blend of style and efficiency. With EOS, you're not just buying a heater, you're investing in an exceptional sauna ritual built on decades of innovation and craftsmanship. If you're interested in learning more, don't forget to subscribe. Visit saunaplace.com or give us a call at 931-516-6577. We hope to speak with you soon.